Good morning, my name is Vernes Mack, and I am a literacy link for Hands Across the Sea in Antigua and Barbuda. My other literacy link in Antigua is Hyacinth Gonzalez Barrero, and we're here today to assist with the packing away of the library, securing the books for the summer vacation, as well as collecting books that we will be giving in the Hands giveaway program. The children do not have to return them, so they will have them to read while they're home, not only just in May, but for the entire summer vacation. At present, we are partnering with the Early Learners Program in the Ministry of Education and the Public Library, and we have 23 schools involved in the initiative in Antigua and Barbuda. It is critical that children continue to read. Without literacy, they cannot do anything, they cannot function effectively in society. And we think that it is important for them to read while they're home. We know some students don't even have the kind of books that they like to read where they live. So our job is to make sure that we supply them with books and that they have them at their fingertips. Whenever they want to read, whenever they feel in the mood, they can just get up and read something. Literacy is key to life.
There was no one to play with and nothing much to do. So he helped his father all after help me read.
And we want to ensure as many parents as possible are on board with us, because this is very, very important to ensure that literacy continues to grow and bloom in our community.